Hi, American Lit fam. Let's see, pause. Hi, American Lit family. How are you doing? How are you holding up in these times? It's kind of crazy, I know. I am just sitting here watching my hair grow out and watching the gray come through. You may see me as a real grandma next time you see me. So I wanted to remind you that our class meeting is every Wednesday at noon. So this Wednesday at noon, I hope to see you and we'll just discuss a few things for the class. Your assignment for this week is called Lynching Art. And this is a really difficult subject. I wish we were in class together to discuss this and to kind of process through all of this, but it's not possible. So I'm hoping that you'll join us on Wednesday and we can kind of talk through this. So this Lynching Art is a packet and it is due on Friday. But I wanted you to remember that there are no hard, fast due dates in my class. As long as you get it in by the end of the quarter, that would be perfect. The only reason I put due dates on it is to make sure that you are steadily working through everything that you need to do for this quarter. I have my office hours on Tuesdays from 10 to 11. I'll make sure that I'm on Microsoft Teams at that time, and you can call in and discuss anything you want with me. But I want you to know that I'm available throughout the day. I have meetings here and there that I have to take care of, but from 7:30 in the morning till 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you really can email me or call me. I left my phone number on the header. You can request to have a meeting with me, a virtual meeting, or you can even call me through a virtual meeting and see if I'm available. So hang in there. I miss you guys. I hope that you are getting everything that you need taken care of during this time. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.